Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop your heat every 4 times of the week. Now, I actually hope that you're good and healthy from wherever you're watching this from, social distancing and all that good stuff. So, alright, so let's get started. In today's video, I have this Kendrick Lamar Drumkit called Conflicted. It's crazy, man. I have guitar midis, hi-hats, kicks, percussions, snares, and synths. So before we actually go further, I would like to play you the beat that I actually made using this drum kit, so you can actually, just see the potential of what you can actually, do with this, stuff. And before we actually go further, you know what to do. Just go ahead and subscribe to this channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. Alright, without no further ado, let's get started. So I'm not gonna play the whole beat. I just want to play a little bit of it so you can just get the idea, and we can move on to the drum kit, the fire drum kit. Alright, let's get started. I'm gonna play the beat. Let's go. Believers Radio. Alright, man. You can just get the idea yourself, man. It's a crazy beat. So I'm giving out this beat as a free beat for profit. You can just get it once you actually download the drum kit. It'll be wrapped up inside the drum kit. You ain't got to worry about that, bro. I got you, man. Alright, so let's get started with the agenda today. So to demonstrate this, I'll be using purity today, So let me just open another pattern here and just, because I want to play you all the midis. So I'm gonna start off. Sorry, these midis all have the same BPM. It's already it's around 87 BPM. So let me just go ahead and do that. So let me just load up another instance of purity here. So yeah. Sorry, just give me a minute. I don't know why it's hanging. All right, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna be using this this jazz clean, If you guys have listened to a lot of Kendrick Lamar, he likes to use a lot of jazz guitars, all that stuff. So that's what I was trying to imitate when I was trying to make this beat. So I'm gonna start off with the first MIDI, which is here. I don't know why this is happening. Alright, fuck it. Let's load up another. Let's open another. Just give me a minute. Alright, so let purity again. Alright, so same jazz here. So I'm gonna load the guitar MIDI. Alright, start. Alright, sorry for that. Let me just change the BPM back to 87. Alright, again, the dark MIDI. Alright, the fourth MIDI. Alright, that's it for the midis. So I'm going to show you the synth as well. So come here, display the synth. Sorry. Alright, second synth. Alright, so that's it. So let's get down to the drums. So I'm gonna start off with the hi-hats. Sorry. Percussion. Snares. Alright, that's it, man. That's it. So it's a crazy package. You know, make sure that you actually get it. It's free as well. No charges, no nothing. All you gotta do, man, is just, support a man. A man is trying to make a difference. You know what that means. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And be sure to check out my previous stuff if this is your first time here. I got a lot of, stuff from back then. You can just go and check it out and just, get what you love or what you need. Alright, I do offer mixing and mastering services, so if you need any of that, just hit me up. I'll be leaving my number on the screen, so you can just, WhatsApp me directly and we can talk about it. Alright, that's it, man. Enjoy the drum kit, make crazy stuff, crazy beats, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye, stay safe, enjoy.